Hello guys, Mike here with 210 Scrapping. I wanted to make a quick short video of the tools I use for scrapping. First of all, a power tool here, a drill, screwdrivers, flatheads, very handy. I use different sizes for different jobs. A chisel for IC chips. Some vice grips, some wire cutters, two different sizes, smaller job, bigger job, thicker wire, thinner wire, some needle nose pliers. I like these because they have a little lip here that allows you to grab stuff better and you just pull it. A magnet, of course, a little copper here, take that off, it sticks right to it. Get the copper, throw it in your bin. Also, you could pick up all these little screws that are in your work area. A blade, blades come very in handy. Some tweezers that I use for my gold bearing pins. Pick them up so I don't pick up all the trash with it. I got some smaller ones. A smaller screwdriver here for the smaller screws. It also comes with different sizes, different types here. Get some stars, flathead, star, whatever. You know, you get the point. Another pair of wire cutters, a file for my mortars. Some of these are aluminum, some of them are copper, so you have to scrape the coating in order to see what's underneath. And I don't know if you could see that. Let's see. Oh crap. Well, this one's copper. I mean, you can't really see it, but it's right there. It's copper. There's that. And what else do I use? Clamp. Put the mortars here, and then I take out the windings with the screwdriver or with some pliers, and I just yank it off. And I think that's about all I use. Let's see. Yep, that's all I use to scrap everything from small to big. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you would like to see a certain video, and I will try and make that as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.